Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to make a circle plant activity. Okay, for this we want yellow color A4 sheet, red color and one green color and a white color A4 sheets. Okay, let us do the activity. Take a white paper, take a green paper and draw a standing line, one more standing line. Okay, now by the side draw a slanting line like a leaf. See how I am drawing? Like this one, and this side also a slanting line. Again like a curve and one more curve. Okay, put the inside a small curves and you have to cut this. Cut the stem and leaves like this, and you have to paste it on the white sheet, and you have to apply some glue. Turn back and you have to apply some glue here. Okay, to the leaves also and here also, and paste it on the white sheet and press it. Okay, and now cut yellow circle like this, a big one, and you have to paste it here. Apply some glue here. Okay, apply some glue and paste it here on the top of the stem. Okay, now take this round red color sheets, red color circles, and apply some glue here. Now paste it here like this, little up, and then paste it here. Okay, and again take one more circle and apply some glue here, and little move it inside and paste it. Again take one more, apply some glue again. Okay, and now again little take it up and put down. Yes, again like this. One more. Our flower is ready. Okay, now take a black sketch and draw eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows, nose, and the smiley face. And our flower is ready. Okay, children? Okay, everyone do the activity, and I will see you in the next video.